MotorVision, your go-to place for everything on wheels. If you're passionate about cars, RVs, and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the buzz about the rumored 2025 Honda campervan. There's been a lot of talk online, with images and videos circulating that have fans of Honda and camping enthusiasts pretty excited. But what's the real story behind this? Is Honda really gearing up to release a new campervan in 2025? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the appeal. Honda is known for its reliable engineering, smart designs, and practical vehicles that fit seamlessly into everyday life. A camper van from Honda would likely blend all these qualities, making it an ideal choice for road trips, camping adventures, or even the growing trend of van life. Imagine the comfort and dependability of a Honda, combined with the freedom to explore anywhere you want. Sounds perfect, right? However, here's the twist. As of now, Honda hasn't officially announced or confirmed anything about a 2025 campervan. A lot of the images you might have seen are actually AI-generated concepts or fan-made designs. They look convincing, but they're not official. This means all the hype is mostly based on speculation and wishful thinking. That being said, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Honda has dabbled in this market before, especially in Japan, with compact versatile vans like the Honda N-Van and Step GN that are popular for mini-camper conversions. They've also shown some interest in adventure and outdoor lifestyle vehicles, so it wouldn't be too surprising if they decided to take a leap into the campervan market in the future. If Honda were to release a camper van, we can expect it to feature their signature reliability, fuel efficiency, and innovative use of space. Maybe even hybrid or electric options, considering Honda's push towards eco-friendly technology. It could be a serious competitor in the compact camper van segment. But until we hear something official from Honda, it's all just speculation. We'll keep our ears to the ground and update you as soon as any concrete news drops. Thanks for tuning into MotorVision. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know in the comments. Would you be interested in a Honda camper van? What features would you want to see? We love hearing from you. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next video.